Yes, hello. Good afternoon. My name is John. Yes, I'm John. I'm personal assistant. Oh yes, I have not about you. Okay, welcome to Bulu. Yes, so yes. Your Highness is waiting.
Yeah, okay. Come out now. Okay, the thing is,
Yeah, the master.
this umbrella, put it up. It's fine, you go there, leave it up.
Okay, the entrance, right?
The entrance.
Thank you guys. Yeah. Welcome to Gulu City. This is my Colopin, the Prime Minister of the Acholi Cultural Institution. Welcome to Gulu. With me is my Minister for Tourism, Lilia. We have a Minister for Security. Yes. And, now what's going to happen? Just a few, 5 or so. Where's your colleague? We'll have a few of you enter here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Where's Chief? Just at least 5.
Chief, where is your partner, the last partner? Okay, so that's 5 of us.
Yeah, just 5. The rest, please feel free to sit there.
Let's go.
Feel free, there's a tent.
You two.
Where you can sit.
Let's go.
Please, let's go.
Lead the way.
Let's go. I have to remove our shoes, right?
Just right there, not here.
Not here.
Not here.
No, I don't need the umbrella. It's fine. I don't need it. Remove the umbrella. I don't need it. Sorry, no, I don't need the umbrella.
Please. Yeah, they're selected. Okay.
Now I want first for the visitor first, then journalist later. I want visitor first, then journalist later. Yes? Yes.